everyone. So now we need to go ahead and start cutting our other papers because we already have our loom done. So here is my paper loom, and I can see my marks on here. So that's actually the back. So I'm going to flip this over like this, so no more pencil marks or marker marks, and I'm going to set it off to the side because I don't need it right this minute. Now I have these two papers. These were my drawings to represent my place. So remember, this is Union Mill, and I did trees for all the trees that surround the school, and I did the purple buddy bench. So now it's a matter of folding my paper and getting it figured out for the weaving part. And notice that this paper is going to fit across this way. So we need to definitely have this paper going long ways this way, side to side in front of us. So I'm going to take my paper, I'm going to fold it in half and crease it. I lined up my edges here. My corners look pretty good. I am going to fold it in half again. Okay. And when I open that up, I have crease marks. I am going to repeat that on my other paper. So again, I'm going to fold it in half, and I'm going to fold it in half again. And when I open it up, you can see the crease marks. I'm going to take my scissors. Remember, when you're holding your scissors, your thumb goes in the smaller section and your fingers are in the bigger section. I am going to keep my hand away from what I'm cutting, open my scissors nice and wide, and do nice long cuts. I'm using the fold as if it was a line, and I'm following the fold. So I'm going to do this on both my papers. Okay. I'm going to pause the video. When I come back, they will all be cut. So now I have two piles of my long cut pieces. You know, now that I've done that, I probably should have told you ahead of time, before you cut them, double check that they are the same size as your paper. All right, I don't know if it's too late for you now, but you might want to check that before you get cutting. And once you do that, it's just going to be a matter of going over and under like this. Push it down all the way. Change to your other one. You do the opposite pattern. So if I started by going over here, I'm going to start by going under. And I'm going to need to work really carefully because this is paper. All right, so there we go, and you will continue on. There is a whole nother video on how to do the weaving. Have fun.